So we're here at our client's property in Natick, Massachusetts. And this has been a really excellent project for us to sink our teeth into to not only improve the aesthetics of this long sloped area of their landscape, but they were also trying to improve the functionality of some problems that they were having in that space, namely erosion. So what we're doing here is we're installing a mixture of shade-loving, woodland-type plants, as well as more sun-loving, part sun-loving, wildflower-type meadow plants. And these are being used in all different areas along pretty much their entire side of the property here. And this is not only adding aesthetic beauty to the landscape, but it's also increasing its functionality. So we're planting out a very dense matrix of native grasses and some wildflowers to really create a tight-knit plant community that's going to hold this soil and provide some really long-term nice erosion control, as well as increase the aesthetic interest, beauty, and ecological function for the space.